Hi guys, today I'm going to show you slime. So as you see, I already have my slime out. It's like a blue slime, it's cloud slime. So you have to be careful with it and make sure to not like get it on your clothes or furniture. It's like really fidgety and you can play with it a lot. And I also have my sister today. Say hi to my sister.
Hi. I'm gonna be in the next video, not in this one, okay guys? Make sure to like and subscribe.
Okay, and now more about the slime. It's more stretchy. It's like really stretchy. With this one, since it's cloud slime, I don't think you can make slime bubbles. I don't know why, but it's just like really fidgety and stuff. But like the more you work with it, the easier it gets and less sticky. But it'll still be like really good slime. And then also, we're gonna make more videos about our slime, but please like and subscribe. And we're gonna make more videos because we have more slimes. So we'll keep making videos like every other day or every day. It depends.
And comment your favorite slime.
And yeah, you can comment your favorite slime. Okay, then yeah. Okay. We'll see you next video. Bye.
Bye.